Hey everyone, Mikey T here, just giving you a quick update. A lot has been going on and a lot is coming up, so I hope you guys can see with me and understand why I haven't been posting a whole bunch of videos. First things first, this week, Jamaica Story will be screening in NYC at the Conch Shell International Film Festival. This festival is from October 10th to the 13th, and so much is going on, so I hope you guys can make it out. The film will be screening on October 11th at 7:30 p.m. and then again on October 13th at 11 a.m. at the Regal UA Midway Cinema in Queens. If you can't make it to Queens, then you can stream Jamaica Story at eoflix.com from the 10th to the 13th. Also, on October 11th at 3 p.m. at the Queens Library in Forest Hills, I will be a part of an amazing panel speaking about the future of cinema for Caribbean filmmakers. Let's talk, let's connect. I really hope I can see you guys there. After the film festival, I will be taking a trip, and I bet you can't guess where. If you guessed Jamaica, then you're right. I will be in Jamaica in Kingston filming scenes for my short film, Beg You a Call. This film is starring Apuku and Raul Blaze. Then I will be heading to the parish of St. Thomas to direct a documentary short starring my friend and brother Peter Ivy and his mission to combat food insecurity, of course starting in Jamaica. Can't wait to share more with you guys. Until then, thank you for your time and thank you for your attention.